Good morning, boys. How are you? Today our lesson is analyzing graphs of polynomials function. As usual, we have some slides as revision for the previous lesson. State the degree and leading coefficient of negative 4x power 5 plus 2x cubed plus 6. Here the degree is 5 and the leading coefficient is negative 4. The answer is here. The same, we have many slides. Here he wants me to find P3 and P negative 5 for Px equal 12 minus x squared. What shall you do here? Only you replace x by 3, then you replace x by negative 5 and calculate to find the answer. Here, the same. We replace x by 3 and x by negative 5 and calculate to find the answer. Here we replace x by x plus 2. In here it becomes x plus 2 power 2 minus 3 times, instead of x I put x plus 2 plus 4 and calculate. I get this polynomial and so on. Here the same. Determine whether the statement is sometimes, always, or never true. The graph of a polynomial of degree 3 will intersect the x-axis 3 times. Of course, when I have polynomial from the third degree, I can have 3 solutions or less. 3 solution, 2 solution, 1 solution or no solution, and we know the solution is where the graph intersects the x-axis. Therefore, the answer here is sometimes. In this lesson, we are going to study the location principle, relative maximum, relative minimum, which is the most important thing, extrema and turning points. Location principle. Suppose y equal function of x represents a polynomial function and a and b are 2 real numbers. 2 real numbers can be positive numbers or negative numbers. And we have function a less than 0 and function b more than 0. This means here that the function has at least 1 real 0 between a and b. When the value of the function change from positive to negative or negative to positive, this means I have solution, like here. You see, this graph change from negative to positive, therefore I must have one solution. I want you to put in your mind that when the function change the sign, in simple words, when y value change the sign from positive to negative or negative to positive, this means you have solution or the graph intersect the x-axis.